Competing priorities rule your day, from supervising production to managing quality, deliveries, personnel management, and more. The list goes on and on. Your tempering furnace is your largest investment and the lifeblood of your operation. Keeping your machinery running at maximum capacity keeps customers happy, your team busy, and managers focused on growth. By working with fabricators across the country, we've learned firsthand the challenges your team faces in managing preventative maintenance priorities. Whether you have an in-house maintenance team or you're in need of regular maintenance and training, we have developed a technical plan with you in mind. Level 1 is ideal for fabricators whose furnaces are less than 5 years old and have a maintenance team in need of minimal support. Level 2 is developed for fabricators who have an in-house maintenance team to conduct daily and monthly maintenance, but are searching for technical expertise to prevent downtime. Level 3 is designed for fabricators without an in-house maintenance team or protocols, operating an older furnace that needs frequent preventative maintenance, or those who have faced substantial downtime in the past. Downtime costs go beyond lost productivity. The true cost of downtime includes equipment costs, labor, management time, disappointed customers, and more. Maintain the life of your equipment without cutting into your bottom line by eliminating the true costs of downtime. An HHH maintenance plan pays for itself in under one shift. Optimize your facility's operations, deliver high-quality glass, and stay ahead of the competition with a maintenance plan from HHH Tempering Resources. Let's protect your furnace. Call HHH Tempering Team to find the maintenance plan that best fits your facility needs.